Alrighty guys, today we're gonna unbox the I don't know, it's a pull out sink rack. It goes underneath your counter. Got the black one. I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. But it's like 40 inch by 22, or I'm sorry, 40 centimeters by 22 centimeters by 33 centimeters. So still don't understand why some companies will use metric when they're selling in the United States. It's alright. I don't know what centimeters are, but I mean I do. I just don't know how that converts over to inches off the top of my head. There's just a little plastic organizer that goes underneath your sink, and I assume there is a little bit of assembly required. So in the box you get, what do you get? You get some of these things. Some bars. I like how they package those right in there though. That was really awesome. I couldn't find my knife. Alright, so we got, looks like feet for it, little plastic feet, and some hooks. Alright, and two little things that are going to slide into something. Simple and easy. Let's look here. Yep, that's all we need. Alright. E and F, I guess, is what we're looking for, which is going to be these two, I believe. No. Okay. So these two are identical. Okay, so that's fine. And then this is E. F. Boy, this thing is already is not being friendly. So it looks like by the picture that we're sliding these in to these corners. Okay, I see, yes. And they're going to snap in because there's a thing right there. So I put this one backwards. Okay, so now when we push down, they'll snap in. It doesn't say to do that. And I'm going to put the 4 straight tubes in. Just we're going to go ahead and snap them down. That way, they're there. Put these 4 guys in. And then it says to install the mesh basket. I don't see a mesh basket. So A2 is going to be the mesh basket, which is going to be the one with the hole here. Doesn't look like mesh to me, but whatever. Maybe it's mesh over in China. And it doesn't say which way it goes in, but she slid in this way and didn't slide in the other way. So if she doesn't slide on one side, just turn her over and slide her on the other side. It's fine. These guys, adjustable foods. I think it means feet, but you know, they did a bad job of translating it. So they said they called it food. Okay, so they gotta put your adjustable food on. Whoopsie. I love when they don't translate things very well. Adjustable food. At least try to do a good job of translating. I mean, I don't know. Food. I'm going to put food underneath of it. Let's see, the caps go on the top. So we got to put this guy in. Which, I don't know, does this guy just sit right on top here? It looks like he just sits right up there on top. And they go right into those holes. See? That wasn't hard at all. she's still moving though. Okay, now she's done moving. Now we can put the 4 caps. And at the top, they gave us 5. It's only supposed to be 4. Instructions say there's 4 of them, but there's 5 in here. So put those right in the top hole in the corners of your bin. And then it doesn't say anything about the hooks, about where to put the hooks. I mean, I know I can just put them wherever I want. But I do like it whenever they say, or give some sort of idea as to where those should be. So we're going to put this down underneath the cabinet. So we're going to put the hooks on this side over here. That way we can hang things, because it's going to be in the cabinet. This is the front. Slide it out for me. I'm going to put it on the left side. So the hook's going to be on the right side so I can hang stuff on this side. Now who made this? Who made this? Let's see. Let's see if we can figure that out. Because I don't remember. I ordered it a while ago. No name on it. So I'll just find the link for what I ordered. Put it down below in the description. But if you need a little bit of storage space underneath your sinks, or yeah, this could work on a countertop too. A little plastic one. Hey, it's kind of cool. What do you think? She likes it.